Hi everyone, welcome to La Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing this easy design using only nail art stencils. So let's do it! I already have applied this very light purple and this silver with a little of holo glitter. Beautiful! I will be using our La Cosedora 601 stencils that you can find on Amazon, link on the description below. We have classic French, Aztekish and traditional lines. Today I will show you how we can combine them all. The most important thing is that your polish must be completely dry. This way you can achieve a perfect design. Now you just have to play with lines, letting fly your creativity, putting stencils in different directions and matching them. You can do whatever you want, it's your design. Now use a color that makes contrast and apply a layer of polish on your nail. Then remove the stencil immediately. These stencils are reusables. How? Simply put them back on the white paper and they are ready to be used again later. Remember, don't let dry the polish, because if you do that, your design might be ruined. Be careful when you remove your stencil from the nail. Always do it gently. As you see, it's pretty simple to use the stencils. You can do amazing and beautiful designs for your nails. Finish by applying top coat. And here it is. If you like this design, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to see previous videos, and if you are looking for our nail art stencils, they are available on Amazon. I'm leaving the link on the description. See you the next time. Bye!